Want to make your own lotions that feel like they cost $60 an ounce? In this video, we'll explore the natural ingredients that you can use to make your own lotions that feel expensive. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! You are in the right place if you love or are interested in making your own natural products. Creating your own lotions and creams is super fun and satisfying. They're one of my favorite things to make. When I first got started with natural DIYs, I bought pre-made lotion bases and added essential oils to them. It was super easy, but I didn't like how some essential oils didn't blend well into the lotion bases, and I didn't love all the ingredients used in them. So I started making my own lotions from scratch. Here's the ingredients I think are must-haves for making your own natural lotions. Lotions and creams are basically a water mixture combined with an oil mixture. These two mixtures are often called an oil phase and a water phase. In your water phase, you'll want to add distilled water along with any ingredients that mix well with water, like humectants and hydrosols. Distilled water adds the hydration benefits to lotions and gives it its smooth, pourable consistency. You'll want to use distilled water for the best quality product. Humectants. Humectants are optional. They help draw water into the skin and keep your skin looking amazing. I usually use a small amount of vegetable glycerin for humectant benefits. If you add too much vegetable glycerin, it'll make your lotion feel sticky. Hydrosols. Hydrosols are a byproduct of the essential oil distilling process. They offer a subtle scent and extra benefits. My favorites are rose and lavender. If you're looking at a lotion recipe, you can swap some or all of the distilled water in the recipe for a hydrosol. For your oil phase, you'll add ingredients that mix well with oils and are not heat sensitive. So we'll add things like emulsifying wax, carrier oils, butters, thickeners, and stabilizers. Emulsifying wax. When we make a lotion, we combine oil and water together, two substances that don't normally want to mix. That's where emulsifying wax comes in. It allows us to mix oil and water into one creamy mixture. Simply Earth's emulsifying wax is derived from olive oil and is similar to the natural barrier your skin already has. It's amazing. Carrier oils, liquid seed-based oils like sunflower seed oil, almond oil, and more add moisturizing and nourishing benefits to the skin. Simply Earth also carries a body oil base, which I think is a great way to add a luxurious feel to lotions. It's a mix of different carrier oils that are perfect for body care recipes. Butter. Butters can be added to a lotion for moisturizing and nourishing benefits. If I'm making something for super dry skin, I like to add shea butter. For a lighter feel, which I prefer in face creams, I like to use mango butter. Thickeners and stabilizers like beeswax and cetyl alcohol can help create a thicker texture and add stability to your lotions and creams. Once you combine your oil phase with your water phase, you can add essential oils and your preservative. Essential oils are natural plant extracts that have amazing aromas and contain natural benefits. There are tons of essential oils you can use in your natural lotions. I have a bigger list linked in my cheat sheet below, but some of my favorites are frankincense, lavender, lemon, lime, our resilience blend, which is new, rose geranium, sleepy, sweet dreams, and unicorn, just to name a few. You'll want to use oils that are gentle on the skin. Some oils like clove and cinnamon are more irritating to the skin and require a lower dilution rate than more gentle oils, like the ones I just mentioned. If you're ever wondering what an essential oil's recommended dilution rate is, go to simplyearth.com, search for that oil, and click details. You'll find the max amount that should be used in aromatherapy recipes. Lastly, you'll need a preservative. Anything with water in it is susceptible to spoilage. To enjoy your creation longer, a preservative like GeoGuard ECT ensures a lasting quality product. If you prefer to go preservative-free, keep your lotion in the fridge and discard it after 12 to 14 days. When it looks bad or smells off, it shouldn't be used. With these fantastic ingredients, you're ready to make your own DIY lotions. Check out my cheat sheet linked below for my favorite recipes. Did I miss any of your favorite lotion ingredients? Let me know in the comments. Check out my other natural DIY recipes right after this.